Hello aspirants, welcome to your own channel. So once again we are here with important bits and interesting facts. Hope you all will enjoy the knowledgeable video. So let's get started. So first question, the headquarter of Army Training Command is located in? What is the location of Army Training Command? So we have discussed it in one of the lecture, that is Commands and Headquarters of Armed Forces. The Army Training Command was established on 1st October 1991 at Mahua in Madhya Pradesh and moved to Shimla on 31st March 1993. The main aim of the command is to maximize effectiveness of the training. So presently it is at Shimla. Okay. So next question. In which city the Indian Coast Guard has recently commissioned its C-448 high-speed boat? The Indian Coast Guard has recently commissioned its C-448 high-speed boat. Where? Yeah, the answer is at Mangaluru, Karnataka. Okay. So what is C-448 high-speed boat? It is a water-jet propelled interceptor vessel which is said to be deployed in for patrolling and rescue operations off the coast of Mangaluru. The boat also comprises of world-class navigation and communication equipment systems which helps in search operations and maritime surveillance. Okay. So next question. The Southern Command of Indian Army is headquartered at? This is also been discussed in the Commands and Headquarters lecture. So the right answer for this is what? Yes, it is Pune. Okay. So what is the next question? The Assam Rifles Force has constructed a war memorial for personnel killed during insurgency. In which state? So it is asking about the location of the war memorial constructed by Assam Rifles. So what is Assam Rifles? It is founded in 1835 and is the oldest paramilitary force of India, headquartered at Shillong. They guard the India-Myanmar border at present. It has constructed a combined war memorial in Nagaland for the personnel of Army and Assam Rifles who were killed while fighting insurgency in the state. The memorial is named as Veer Smriti and located at where? At Nagaland. Right? Next, moving to the next question. Indian Army Day is observed on? So Army Day is celebrated on? Yes, we all should know. The answer is 15 January. Okay. So it is celebrated on 15 January every year in India in recognition of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa's taking over as the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Butcher. Okay, General Butcher was the last British Commander-in-Chief of India. After that, K.M. Cariappa has taken the Commander-in-Chief position on 15th January. Okay, so we have a special video on biography of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa, a must-watch video. You can watch that. So the answer for this question is 15th January. Moving towards next question. Who will be the head of the recently created Sainy Karta Vibhag? Have you heard about the Sainy Karta Vibhag? It is a new department of military affairs headed by the Chief of Defence Staff. Okay, headed by Chief of Defence Staff. This department is an addition to the 4 other departments of the Ministry of Defence. What are those? The Department of Defence, Defence Production, Defence and Development, and Ex-Service Welfare. Okay, so who is the head of this new department? That is Chief of Defence Staff. Okay, remember this. Now what is the next question? Defence Services Staff College is located in? So what is Defence Services Staff College? It is one of the oldest military institution in India. It was founded in 1905 as the Army Staff College in Devlali near Nasik and then relocated to Quetta. After the partition of India and Pakistan, this area had gone under the Pakistan country, so the Indian operations relocated to its present home in Wellington Cantonment in the Nilgiris district of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so presently it is at Wellington, at Tamil Nadu. Now what is next question? Sampriti is a joint military training exercise between India and which country? Okay, Sampriti, have you heard about this Sampriti? Sampriti is a joint military training exercise between India and Bangladesh. It is annually hosted by both the countries alternately. Last year it is hosted by Bangladesh and this year by India at Meghalaya in February 2020. Okay, the answer for this is Bangladesh. This is the joint military training between India and Bangladesh. Okay, this type of questions mostly asked in the exams. So prepare all these kind of questions. Next question is, Gagan Shakti is a military exercise conducted by. The exercise Gagan Shakti is conducted by the Indian Air Force, as the name suggests. Okay, Gagan Shakti means it is conducted by Indian Air Force. It is the Air Force largest exercise in 3 decades, and in this form Sukhoi 32 C-17. Over 1000 aircrafts participates. Okay, now we are at the last question of this series. What is the question? In which Indian city the Indian Navy conducted its coastal security exercise Matla Abhiyan? The Indian Navy has conducted a 5-day long coastal security exercise named as Matla Abhiyan at Kolkata in January 2020. This exercise is named after the Matla river which flows around the Sundarbans. So this is all about the MCQs with important facts. Be on the channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind.